What's going on, people?
Oh my god, that was so cheesy. What's happening, peeps? Just back at it again with my videos. I've been off for a long time. Just had a lot of stuff going on. Have this really slow laptop over here. I'm trying to save up for an actual computer to where I could upload once a week without, you know, wasting half my life on rendering videos and all that nonsense. But anyways, yeah, it's good to be back. I hope to stay consistent now. I got a lot going on, a lot of plans for the future videos. I'm glad that you guys stuck with me even though I took that break, and I want to show you what I got today, so let's go check it out. Oh yeah, and I have a beard now, in case you didn't know, but it'll be going away pretty soon. Yeah, I don't know how about this look. It's getting pretty long. Maybe go another month. By the way, stay tuned. In a month, we got a trip coming up. Sick. But for now, it's all about this. Let's open her up. See what's inside. A long-awaited package has arrived, and I couldn't wait. I wasn't actually planning on making a video, but I feel like I wanted to share this with you guys. Dude, I'm so freaking stoked. I will be doing some custom rod wrapping in the near future. This is my first shipment of equipment. It's got a good ring to it. So this is from Acid Rod, also known as C&M Custom Tackle. They're a local supply shop over here in California. 100% would recommend their website if you guys are going to start doing some rod wrapping yourself. But let's check out what we got. Alright, first things first. Gotta make sure that you guys can see this. We got our Rod Builders epoxy glue. Some flex coat. Oh man, they got this thing wrapped tight. Holy cow. Yeah, here we go. Sick. Alright, that's what I thought it was. It's 3 of the 6 marbling pigments that we got. Some brush cleaner to clean off your brushes after you use the epoxy. The rest of the marbling pigment, I don't think there's any more, but we got a white, yellow, and black. I don't know, green or black. Yeah, that's black. By the way, if any of you guys have any ideas on different color combinations or rod wrapping ideas, shoot a comment down below, and when I get the hang of all this equipment and learn how to actually make these custom rods real good, I'm gonna be able to hook you guys up. Got some mixing cups. Oh, okay, I don't remember ordering this, but this is to size your tip tops, and that way you can order the right tip top for your blank. I didn't know that. I don't remember getting this, but yeah, that's always a good thing to have. We got some Threadmaster CHROMA seal. Oh, it's a color preserver for the thread. See what we got here? Oh yeah, we got our little clippers for cutting the thread. They have a couple different options on their website. You could get like some regular scissors or just razor blades, but I decided to go with these guys. Okay, just some essential, you're gonna need this no matter what kind of rod build you have. Some tape. Alright, so we got our part A and part B resin. Part A is the resin, the part B is the hardener. Boom. You want to do an even amount of both, and that will be your epoxy right there. This differs from this. The epoxy glue, this red one right here, this is for your reel seats, grips, butt caps, and all that. This is actually the clear coat. Okay, we got some China markers and a little burnishing tool, a couple of them. All right, this is the only thread I got so far. I only got these two guys because the first rod I'm gonna build is gonna be a gold and black color. All right, so we got a couple of tool sets here, little picks and stuff for the thread. Yeah, these are kind of just for everything involved with wrapping rods. Got some tip top adhesive. That's for the top guide on the pull. All right, we got some syringes, I think. Yeah, syringes. That way you know you have an even amount of both the epoxy or the epoxy glue. Now we got the big boy. Woo, buddy, this thing is huge. Yeah, it's got a bunch of freaking styrofoam falling off. I don't want to make a mess. Oh crap, it's on this side too. It's an 8-foot long pack bay 3-chuck rod wrapper dryer combo. I'm gonna leave these guys in the box for now because these are gonna make a mess. 8-foot long though. You got the little foot pedal in here. Yeah, so like I was saying, this is the foot pedal in here to control the speed. You got the holy crap, so much foam. You got the wrap option right here, boom, and the dry. I think it's 6 RPM, I'm not quite sure. Wrap, when you hit on wrap, that gives you control to use the foot pedal. Boom, that's off. And then you got your speed right here, so you can turn it up, down. Got your motor inside here. Then you got your chuck right here. So to loosen the chuck, you got this little guy right here. Just spin it. It opens and closes it. Moving on over here, got your rod rollers right here. It's a set of 3. These are mounted from underneath with wing nuts, I think. Yeah, all you have to do is loosen it up a bit. With the 2 other aluminum pieces that are in here still, this thing will become 8 feet long, and you could move these guys over as you set up for wrapping. I know that there was supposed to be a couple of rod blanks coming in the mail. Thought it was gonna come in the mail with this stuff, but I guess it didn't. So I'm just gonna show you instead what I've been working on. So this here, I don't know how well you'll be able to see. Let me take you guys outside so you can see it better. All right, so like I was saying, I took this guy. It was like, I think it was a Shakespeare trout rod. And I stripped it down all the way. I'll put some before and after pictures. Basically, this thing was a completely different color, and I stripped it completely down, sanded it down, primed it, and now it's like this metallic black finish. All I have to do now is add a top coat to it so that the paint doesn't come off. My next project is this beast. It's a 7-foot pen pull. It's a pen power stick plus. I think it's rated 12 to 30 pounds, but you can see the design's not too bad. The threads and everything is pretty nice. We got some broken guides, and so I'm gonna take all the guides off, replace them, and I figured, heck, why don't I just redo the whole pole? So I started already. You can see, stripped down, took off all of the grips and the reel seat. So I'll be replacing that as well. And I think I'm gonna make this color coded, maybe do like a California yellowtail type of color combination. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah, that's all I got going. Oh yeah, and I got all my crap out right now. Just sitting in the living room. Getting ready to go to High Sierras next month. We got a huge trip coming up. I think a 3-day trip to get out of town, catch some trout, do some exploring and some new spots. It's gonna be dope. Got a bunch of friends and family going. So you'd be expecting a video. Stay tuned. Tell your friends about my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, so please, I need your help. I need your help in getting those subs. Once I get 1,000, then we can start growing, make some new goals, and hopefully by that time I'll have some more rapping experience, and maybe even have my own little shop. Who knows? Anyways, I'm out. I'm gonna go have some fun with my new equipment, so I'll talk to you later.